Hello everybody, Chris here, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Todoist app. Now, Todoist obviously is one of those to-do list apps that are out there, very much like Wunderlist, though it does have a few different features that are available to it. And we'll be covering both the website version and the Windows 10 app version that you can actually download through the Windows 10 store. It also works with the Windows 8 store, by the way. Now, primarily when you're working in the Todoist app, you're going to be revolving your flow around creating different tasks. If you go to the inbox or any other of your project folders that you may have to create for yourself or may be defaulted to you, you need to go ahead and hit the Add Task button whenever you want to create a task. And through this, you can give it a name, basically detailing out what kind of task you're trying to complete. For instance, we could say complete a tutorial, and then over here to the right, you're going to see the schedule box. If you click on that, you get a very nice selector for dates. Generally speaking, you can just hit the tomorrow option if you're trying to plan a task to be completed tomorrow. But if you need to set a specific date instead of next week or in 1 month, such as let's just say September 22nd, you can go down here to the calendar and just click when you need to do it. Whenever you want to do a recurring task, they have a quick write-up on the web that you can get to by clicking recurring dates and more, and it details out how to do it here down at the bottom. So basically, you would type in every and then give it some more details like every Monday we do this task, or every 13th of May do this task. So we could say, for instance, a very simple one, every day to do this task, and then you'll notice that it is recurring because it has the refresh symbol right here on our list. Very much like an email system, the inbox is going to basically contain all of your tasks, but if you want to filter that out, you can do so pretty easily by going ahead and using today, as in the tasks that need to be completed today, see tasks for the next 7 days, or you can put tasks into different projects, or even filter them. Now, these filters are essentially going to be based on priority unless you're working on a team and it was assigned to you or you assigned it to other people. Now, these 4 priority levels, you can basically use them to mean whatever you want them to, but how you would actually set a priority is if you go to the task and click on it. What you decide to use your priority levels is pretty much up to you, but if you want to set a priority, you need to click on the task. And then over here in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see a flag. If you click on that, you can set the priority level. Defaulted to priority 4. Next level is 3, 2, and 1. Based on the color scheme, you can get the sense that priority 1 is supposed to be more important than, say, a priority 4. So if we want a priority 3, we can just click here. And now it's going to have a yellow flag that shows wherever we have the task over here to the left. And you can see, even in the Windows 10 app, it works pretty much exactly the same way. You have those yellow circles over there to the left, demonstrating its priority level. If you're the type of person who likes to organize different folders and keep tasks that are similar in certain groups, you can go over here to the Projects tab. And under Projects, you can add your own projects. You can use some of the default ones they have in here. And if you want to add a project, you just click Add a Project. This could be basically associated with a list. It doesn't necessarily have to be like a work project, though I think that's the general intent there. It could also be a camping list, stuff you need to bring, what do you need to pack. It could be the tasks you need to do for writing an ebook, or whatever you've got going on. So let's just go ahead and put ebook as the name. And what's even better about just having these little lists is that you can actually make them hierarchical. So let's say that we wanted to take this ebook task list and put it under movies to watch. We can do that. So now the ebook tasks are a subsection of the movies to watch tasks. And doing that is a great way to stay organized, especially if you're working on a major project or with a team. Now let's say that you are working with a team and you want to include some other people on these tasks so that you can assign them to them so that they know what's going on with your workflow. So let's just go ahead and create a few random tasks here. Let's say goals. If you've already created your tasks and you're ready to share them with other people, what you got to do is click up here where it says share options. So here you need to use emails to bring people into the system once they've accepted and created a Todoist account and actually been attached to one of your projects. Then you can start typing in their names up here. and you'll see a list of the different people who Todoist actually knows about down here that you can just select with one single click. Now, one of the last things I want to point out is the karma system. The karma system is one of the main differences between Todoist and other apps like Wunderlist. With karma, whenever you complete tasks or add new tasks into your system and you stay on top of things and you keep reusing Todoist as an application, it starts giving you extra karma points and it tracks it across time. So you can basically see how effective you're being. Are you staying on top of things? It's basically encouraging you to not only use the app more often, but also to basically be efficient, be productive, get things done on time. So that's kind of a nice thing to have there, and you wouldn't see that in Wunderlist. In my opinion, the two biggest features that you are missing out on without going for the premium version are the ability to add file attachments and email reminders. But if that's something you're okay with not having, then Todoist is actually a really solid app. Otherwise, I might check out Wunderlist as another alternative. So I've been Chris, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video.